Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stop sharing from Instagram to Facebook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Integrating Instagram with Facebook can be convenient for sharing content across both platforms simultaneously. However, there may be times when you want to keep your Instagram posts separate from Facebook. And in this video, I will show you how to do it. How to stop Instagram sharing your post to Facebook. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner the three lines over here. You can choose on Account Center. On Connected Experience section, there is an option sharing across profile. You can just tap on that. So here's I'm sharing 3 accounts on my Instagram, including this Facebook account. You can just tap on your Instagram account. Here's automatically share. As you can see, it's set to enable to sharing your Instagram post to your Facebook. You can just, if you want to stop sharing, you can just turn off like this by tap on toggle on here. So when you share Instagram story and post on your Instagram, Instagram will not automatically share to your Facebook again. It's so simple, right? So that is how to stop sharing posts to Instagram to Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.